Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Yesterday I published a video with unboxing and first review of HOMTOM HT70. Today I want to talk about its performance. HOMTOM HT70 is a budget phone with very big battery of 10,000 mAh, but not very powerful hardware. It is still good for its price, but I want to know, can I play the latest Android games on this phone? After a short intro, we will talk about specifications, benchmarks and play some games. Stay tuned! HOMTOM HT70 is powered by MediaTek MT6750T chipset. It is entry-level quad-core processor with pretty good performance. It is used in many budget Chinese phones, such as Cubit X18 Plus, HOMTOM S8, Mijia S2 Lite, Blueboo S3 and others. Also, new phone has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. There is a slot for microSD memory cards up to 256GB. The hardware is good for budget phone, but let's look at benchmarks. I want to start with most popular benchmark test AnTuTu. HOMTOM HT70 scores almost 60,000 points. The next benchmark, GeekBench 4, shows 611 points in single-core test and 2627 points in multi-core test. Also, memory speed test can be useful for someone. HOMTOM HT70 has 255 Mbps reading speed and 108 Mbps writing speed. Finally, I want to show you 3D Mark benchmark and Slingshot Extreme test. The overall score is 385 points. So benchmarks say that HOMTOM HT70 has pretty good performance, but you should not expect much from it. Now let's play some games to make final conclusion about this phone. I will play the latest Android games such as PUBG Online, Shadowgun Legends and others. You should note, if you could play these games, then you will run any other Android games without any problems. The most popular Android game for today is PUBG Online. I will run it with default graphics settings. It launches a little more time compared to my daily phone OnePlus 5, however, it runs very good. I don't see any lags or breakdowns while playing games. However, after 10 minutes of gaming, I will notice the first problem of this phone – it heats up very much. I didn't feel it when surfing internet user interface, but when you play games, it becomes really hot. The next game I want to play is Shadowgun Legends. It is another popular Android shooting game from the first person. I like this game for amazing graphics and action. You should not forget that HOMTOM HT70 is a budget phone, and from time to time the FPS may drop. However, in general, you can play this game without big problems. Yesterday I watched a new movie from Marvel called Infinity War. It is an amazing film, maybe even the best from Marvel. Have you already watched it? Write in comments below. Today I entered Google Play Store and found Marvel Strike Force. If you are a big fan of Marvel movies, then you should play this game. HOMTOM HT70 is a good smartphone for this. The next game is Tekken Mobile. This is a fighting game from my childhood. I played it on a PlayStation 2. Now it is available on Android phones. If we talk about HOMTOM HT70, it runs this game pretty well. I don't notice big problems, only the smartphone is very hot. Finally, the last traditional game for performance test is Asphalt 8, the most popular racing game on Android platform. In general, it is comfortable to play this game on HOMTOM HT70. There are no big lags or slowdowns. HOMTOM HT70 has very good performance for its price. It shows good results in benchmarks and runs any Android games without problems. However, the main problem is temperature. HOMTOM HT70 becomes very hot after long gameplay. This is not good because the high temperature affects the performance of smartphone, so you will need to take a break while playing games if you don't want something happens with your phone. Thanks for watching. In description you can find links where to buy HOMTOM HT70 cheaper. What do you think about this phone? Is it good for playing games? Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.